Okay, so I got this new double brushed polyester material. It's like a stretch poly. It's supposed to be for kind of like athletic wear, things like that. So I'm going to test it out for sublimating. It's a sublimation material. So we're going to try this. I want to see how it pops and how the colors come out. So let's give this a try here. Okay, so I've got this pressed. Let's bring this up here. So I pressed this for 45 seconds at 390 degrees, which is the recommended time for this material and paper that I'm using. So let's swing this out. Let's see how we're looking here. Well, it did transfer through the paper. You want to keep some butcher paper over top of everything so it doesn't bleed through onto your heat press. So let's see here. Let's get rid of that. This was just a test thing. I got it wet some here. I don't know what happened there, but let's see. I like to let it cool off a bit, but it shouldn't really matter. Let's pull this off and see what we got. Oh, holy cow. I gotta fix my press. So this is, wow. That came out sharp. You can see the spot there, but I just wanted this part anyway. I'm going to trim around this as it is, so that won't even really matter if I decide to use this. It's got kind of a cottony feel to it, almost cotton spandex blend, if that makes sense. But it's a nice material, but the colors came out really sharp. Like the video, the camera don't even do it justice. So, and I'll put a backing to this. I'll heat and bond this so I can cut around it really good. That came out nice.